In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the layout of your HubSpot form fields. Whether you're looking to rearrange the order of your fields, tweak individual field settings, or dive into the visual styling, I'll be guiding you step by step. Let's get started with making your forms not just functional, but also visually appealing. First, let's talk about rearranging your field order. To do this, head over to your HubSpot account and navigate to the marketing section. From there, select Forms. You'll want to choose the specific form you want to edit, so go ahead and click on it. This will open up the form editor. Now, within this editor, you'll notice that you can easily click on any field you're interested in modifying. Over on the left-hand panel, you'll see that dotted lines appear next to each field option. Simply click on these lines and drag them up or down to reorder the fields as you see fit. This drag and drop functionality is really intuitive and user-friendly, making it quick and simple to adjust the order to fit your needs. Once you've got the fields in the perfect order, don't forget to click Publish or Update to save all your hard work. Next up, let's look into customizing field options further. Still within the form editor, click on the field you'd like to customize. Again, you'll find yourself over on the left panel, where you'll see an array of options available for you to tweak. If you want to remove any existing options, simply hover over the one you wish to discard and click Remove. If you're thinking of adding more options, hit Add Options and choose the ones you want to include. Always remember, after making these customizations, it's crucial to click Publish or Update, ensuring your changes are saved and applied successfully. Now, moving on to styling your form. Here's where you can really let your creativity shine. In the form editor, you'll have access to global styling features such as font choices, colors, and borders. These options allow you to alter the entire look of the form to align with your brand's visual identity. For those who want to dive deeper into design customization, you can use CSS styling. HubSpot offers a comprehensive list of CSS variables that you can utilize to override default styles, giving you more granular control over each form element's appearance. And if you're leveraging custom modules within your form, you can define specific styles for these modules directly, ensuring everything looks cohesive and tailor-made for your purpose. So there you have it, a full walkthrough on customizing your HubSpot form layout. With these steps, you can hone in on every detail, making your forms not only more visually appealing, but also perfectly organized to suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to see what you create.